Here we have the undercarriage of the 1953 Chevrolet 3100. This is a Pro Touring chassis, Fat Man fabrication, 9-inch Courier rear end, coilovers, 3-link. Everything is as beautiful underneath as it is on the top. Look at the floors on this car. Shines just as good as the top side does. Everything was block sanded, prepped up. Look, the running boards, Optima battery, GM Parts Performance transmission, and LS3. Just enough miles to shake her down. This is brand new, ready for you to take to car shows and show it off. Here we have the exterior on the 53 Chevy. Notice the custom tailgate, hand fabbed up bed sides, inner tubs. It's like a mirror. Reflection, look at my feet. And here's the enlarged back window. Third brake light. Here's your door panels, all fabbed up out of aluminum. Here's the interior, all fabbed up out of aluminum. Red leather hides. Here's the dash. 1958 Chevy gauge cluster. Dakota Digital. Leather interior. The smell in this car is amazing. Headliner. All suede. There's your dash. Let me go around the other side. Passenger side, same deal. All leather. There's the dash, hand fabricated. LCD screen. There's your shifter. Very sanitary interior. Here's another shot of the suede headliner. Has a one-piece front windshield. Here's another shot at the interior. Just gorgeous. Driver's side, up the door, fenders, attention to detail. And here we have that GM Performance LS3 with 480 horsepower. Everything is sanitary, not one wire out of place, and starts at the drop of a dime. And there you are, 480 ponies. Here's a shot of the door jambs. Everything, attention to detail, like I said, no loose wires, everything is hidden, custom pedals. Here's your leather interior, another great shot. All hand stitching on the seats. Here's the back. Here's your center console, your armrest, AC, power windows and door locks, door poppers. Here's your Bluetooth touchscreen, controls everything. And here's a picture of your digital dash.